Hey guys, it is the Green Brick here, and today we are going to be looking at this Father's Day kind of thing that you could build with Lego for your father. So you can see here we've got a huge heart, and here is my dad. He has a beard, but I couldn't add that. And I started off by making a heart from the back here, and then I made this thing. So it's like, love you, Dada. And I worked quite hard on this. I spent about 30 minutes working on it, so it's not too long, but it's pretty fun. And then I added his favorite things on here. So he really likes his computer. He works on work stuff there, and he also does some fun stuff. He also loves I'm looking at magazines, actually newspapers, not magazines, newspapers. I had a mini Lego newspaper for the character, and then I got him a cup of sparkling water. So my dad loves sparkling water like a lot. I do too. It's kind of like he's kind of addicted to it, which is sort of bad, but yeah. So I added a few little hearts around, and I thought it was really good. So this can be detached and placed sideways. So it's like upwards, or it could be upright. You can't see this all, but like it could be upright. Yeah, you can't see that. But here I have used the building rule that you're not allowed to use in normal Lego, where you can clip bricks, like these plates, right in between the bricks, and it sticks in there quite well. Let's just get this in the right spot. But since Valentine's Day is actually coming up in like, is it like 2 days? I needed to make something for my dad, and so yeah. So if you'd like a tutorial for this, then ask it quickly, because because you're probably gonna need it before Valentine's Day. I mean Father's Day. I'm getting my words mixed up, but you're probably gonna need it before then. But if you're watching in the future, then if you'd have time, then yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed. You can add totally different things here and customize it to your own dad's likings. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.